So we're going to start with the coleslaw. The fish is done. Shit out today. So I'm just going to use this manual, and this is about what you want. And you need a clean bowl for the mixing. The cabbage, I'll be using another fruit processor. So I'm about done with my right now. So I'm going to get off, and this kind of works. I don't really like this while making delicious dishes. 5 minutes, you're done. So that's what it is. So this is it for the red. Send it in here. Love the way they have magic. Into the white, I'm going to dice veggies. I have diced a bit of tomato. Wash this because salt. Coleslaw that you're mixing. I know the traditional coleslaw. This is a little bit of a tart with the mayonnaise, and seriously very creamy. So now you just want to everything at once. Creamed coleslaw. So I would throw the white one, but you would from the carrot, a little bit of this time, and then you would keep doing this until this is what your coleslaw would look like when it's been complete. The cream until it's perfect. Adding sugar, but you could if you wanted the color combination, because we'll just use just the white one, and it has a very good taste. I'm going to serve lunch in a bit. Enjoy. Let me know when you try this recipe. Substituted because you don't eat one thing or you're allergic to the other.